Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, March 4, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayon Tuesday, March 4, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 4, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, March 4, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for March 4, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, March 4, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.